This is a tutorial for supplierdemand.com. Today we're going to talk about account settings when you first log into the site. When you log in, it's going to show you, it's going to say, are you a buyer or a provider? Our records show that you have not chosen your account type yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down here and create your account type here. Now on your account setup screen, there's going to be two options for you: a buyer account or a provider account. A buyer account is a person who typically goes out and seeks services, like you need to get your drywall done, or you need to get your leaves raked, or you need somebody to come in, cut your lawn, or do some plumbing for you, or write a paper, or do some graphic design. Provider account is an account particularly for a person who does the work. They're an electrician, or they have graphic design skills, or they have a landscaping business, or they do landscaping on the side. That's typically the account you want to set up. Now today, for this, to make this real simple, I'm going to pick a provider account and continue. Okay, once you've done that, it says your account has now been set up and you can manage your settings here. This is the second vital important piece of getting the most out of this site. Once you do that, you're going to go to your main screen, which is your home screen, which shows you pretty much your posted projects, bookmark projects, user contacts, and your bids. I'll go into that later into another tutorial on how to do that, but for right now we want to go to your freelance settings next, which is your account settings. Once you're in here, there's a couple options. Receive an email on a new project bid. Yes, you want to keep that. Receive email when new message is posted on project message board. Yes. Receive email of latest project that meets your skill set. Yes. The reason why you want these actually marked to yes is because anytime, just in case if you do have a project out there and somebody does bid, you get an email and say, hey, somebody has bid on your project. So it allows you to at least know that, hey, there's some activity going on with my request. Receive email when new message is posted on project message board. Sometimes you'll get somebody who will bid and also leave you a message, because sometimes they're not kind of clear on exactly what you want or what you need, or sometimes they just have a general question. Or receive email of latest project that meets your skill sets. This is particularly for providers. This is very important, because once you come down here and select the skills, let's say for my test account I do data entry and business consulting and I do legal work. Okay, anybody who comes onto the site and posts, or a buyer goes in and posts any type of request or a project that has to do with any one of these three areas, I'm going to receive an email. It's going to say, hey, somebody has posted a project that meets your skill sets. And so pretty much you can come on the site and see exactly what it is. So I'm going to go down here and select those, keep it simple. Next you have a provider description. This pretty much tells the people who you are. If it's your business or something you've been doing for the last 10 years, just kind of gives you a little personality for the person to be able to say, okay, this person has the skill sets that I need. Just in case if you also want to buy stuff, because sometimes just because you are a provider doesn't mean that sometimes you don't need services also. It's just another personalization. You can say, hey, I typically do this, but you know, sometimes I do like to buy yada yada yada, or I do need to do yada yada yada. Pretty much just personalization. And what you do is you click update settings, gives you a message saying that it's been done, takes you back for review, and that's it.